Good morning, children. Today we will solve our question number 5 in exercise 10.2. Here you have given the problem. In the adjoining figure, AO, this AO line is parallel to line CD and OB parallel to CD. Here you see that OB line parallel to C line. Okay, if angle AOB is equal to 50 degree, in which you have given that also angle AOB is equal to 50 degree, find the measure of angle ECD. Find the measure of angle ECD. We have to find this angle. Okay, we have to find this angle. So first of all, we write here angle AOB is equal to 50 degree, and also here angle AOB is equal to angle CDE because of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, here angle AOB corresponding to angle CDB, so angle CDB also equal to angle AOB, so also angle CDB is equal to 50 degree because corresponding angles are equal by this definition. Again, we have to find angle CDB. So first of all, we write here implies that angle ECD plus angle CDB, angle CDB plus angle ECD, angle CDB plus angle ECD. This angle and this angle also is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of angles ECD plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree because the co-interior angles on the same side, and also you know that co-interior angles on the same side is equal to 180 degree. So by this definition, angle ECD plus angle CDB also equal to 50 degree. You solve out. You have to find out this result again already. Now we have to put this value of angle CDB by equation first. Now from here angle ECD plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree by equation first. Okay, so here we find that angle ECD is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. So this is our answer and this question solved. Okay, our next problem number 6. Here you have given that in the adjoining parallelogram, you have given that here a parallelogram named ABCD. AC is a diagonal. If angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and angle CAD is equal to 40 degree and angle ACB is equal to x, and also you have given that angle ACD is equal to y, then we have to find the values of x and y. So here you have given a figure. This is a parallelogram named ABCD, and in which you have also given that angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and angle BAC is equal to 40 degree, and here you have to find two angles also x and y. Okay, so given that angle BAC is equal to 35 degree here, so implies that angle BAC is equal to angle ACD is equal to angle ACB because of alternating angle, and also you know that alternating interior angle also same here. So angle ACD is equal to also 35 degree, and you have given that here angle ACB is equal to y, so we put y is equal to 35 degree. This solved. And again the next part of this, we have to find out the angle x. So to find out the angle x, we write here angle CAD is equal to 50 degree, which is given that here in this figure. Okay, so angle CAD is equal to 40 degree. Now by alternating interior angles, angle CAD also is equal to angle ACB. Okay, so angle CAD is equal to angle ACB, and you have to also given that here angle CAD is equal to 40 degree, angle CAB is equal to 40 degree. So we put here on the place of angle ACB is equal to x, and also you have x is equal to 40 degree. So this is question is solved. Again, in question number 7, here you have given that adjoining figure. Sorry, find the value of angle AOC. Find the value of angle AOC. You have to find the value of angle AOC in this adjoining figure, in which you have given that also already. If AB parallel to CD, here you see on the board that AB parallel to CD. So we also draw a parallel line by dot dot OE, and also if we draw this line, then OE also parallel to AB and AB also parallel to CD. So given that here angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. You have given that already. We draw parallel line OE and implies that OE also parallel to AB and OE parallel to CD. OE parallel to AB and OE parallel to CD. Which line we have drawn? Okay. So we know that by co-interior angles, that angle BAO plus angle EOA is equal to 180 degree. So angle BAO, given that here, is equal to 180 degree plus angle EOA is equal to 180 degree. So we have to find out angle EOA. So angle EOA is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree is equal to 72 degree. Okay. Now this is our answer. And from here we get angle OCD. We have given that angle OCD is equal to 180 degree, and we have to find out angle COE or angle EOC. Okay. So to find out angle EOC, we know that angle EOC plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree, because co-interior angles are same 180 degree. So angle EOC plus angle OCD is equal to 180 degree. Now we put the value of angle OCD from this equation first in this equation. So angle EOC plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now from here angle EOC is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to angle EOC is equal to 60 degree. This is our answer. And by this constitution, here we add angle EOA plus angle EOC. So we find here angle EOA is equal to 72 degree plus angle EOC is equal to 60 degree is equal to 132 degree. This is our exact answer. So we find this from here angle AOC. So angle AOC is equal to 132 degree, which we have to solve. Okay. So this is our answer, and question number 7 is solved. Now again we have to solve problem number 8. Find the value of x in the adjoining figure if L is parallel to M. You have given that here L and M two straight parallel lines, and P and transversal line which intersect M and L at distinct point. In the above figure, you see that a transversal line P intersect two parallel lines and form the angle x and 2x here. Okay. So angle x plus angle 2x is equal to 180 degree by co-interior angles, because you know that the sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So here from here x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x is equal to 180 degree, and also here from x is equal to 180 degree by 3. So x is equal to 60 degree. Then from here, if x is equal to 60 degree, then 2x, putting the value of x into x angle, then 2x is equal to 2 into 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. This is our answer. Now today time is over and we stop here writing. So further questions we will solve tomorrow again. No tomorrow, next day tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow will be Sunday.
So we solve other questions again. Thank you.